Orangutans are large primates native to the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia, found on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. They are known for their distinctive reddish-brown fur, which led to their name, as orangutan means person of the forest in the Malay and Indonesian languages. There are two species of orangutans, the Bornean orangutan and the Sumatran orangutan. They are classified as critically endangered and endangered, respectively, due to habitat loss and poaching. Orangutans are critically important for the biodiversity of the rainforests in which they live, as they play a crucial role in seed dispersal and forest regeneration. Protecting these remarkable creatures is essential for the health of their ecosystems and the planet as a whole. Orangutans have distinctive reddish-brown or orange fur, which sets them apart from other great apes. This reddish coloration is how they got their name, as orangutan means person of the forest in Malay and Indonesian, referring to their appearance. Orangutans have a unique build that is adapted for an arboreal, tree-dwelling, lifestyle. They have long, powerful arms and relatively short legs. Their hands and feet have long fingers and toes with strong gripping abilities, making them well-suited for climbing and swinging in trees. Their bodies are covered in shaggy, coarse hair, which provides some insulation against the rainforest climate. Orangutans are among the largest primates in the world. Adult males are generally larger than females. Bornean orangutan, height, standing, around 1.4 to 1.7 meters. Adult males can weigh between 50 to 90 kilograms. Adult females are typically smaller, with weights ranging from 30 to 50 kilograms. Sumatran orangutan, height, standing, around 1.1 to 1.4 meters. Adult males generally weigh between 40 to 63 kilograms, while adult females typically weigh between 30 to 50 kilograms. Orangutans are primarily solitary animals, which is unusual among great apes. Adult males and females typically live alone, and they have large home ranges that they defend against members of the same sex. The exception to this solitary lifestyle is the mother-offspring relationship, where a mother will care for her young until they become independent. Orangutans are highly arboreal, spending the majority of their lives in the trees. Their anatomy, with long arms and strong gripping hands and feet, is well suited for tree climbing and swinging. They build nests in the treetops to sleep and rest, using branches and leaves. Orangutans are skilled tool users. They use sticks to extract insects from tree bark and leaves, and they've been observed using leaves as umbrellas during rain showers. This tool use demonstrates their problem-solving abilities. Orangutans are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. They have been observed using tools, solving complex puzzles, and even learning sign language when in captivity. Their cognitive abilities are essential for navigating their complex rainforest environment. Orangutans, as large and powerful primates, have relatively few natural predators in their native rainforest habitats. In their natural habitats on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra, adult orangutans are at relatively low risk from predation by large carnivores. The dense rainforests provide them with a safe haven. Tigers are one of the few large predators in these areas that could potentially pose a threat to orangutans, particularly to young orangutans that are more vulnerable. Unfortunately, the primary threat to orangutans is human activity. Habitat destruction and deforestation for activities like logging and palm oil production have drastically reduced their forested habitats. Additionally, illegal hunting and poaching of orangutans continue to be a significant threat. In some rare cases, adult male orangutans have been observed killing and eating the infants of female orangutans. This behavior, known as infanticide, can occur when a new male takes over a territory and seeks to eliminate potential competitors. These are among the most distinctive vocalizations of orangutans, especially adult males. Long calls are a series of loud, resonant calls that can be heard over long distances in the forest. Adult males use long calls to establish and defend their territory. These calls are meant to deter other males from entering their territory. During the breeding season, males use long calls to attract receptive females for mating. Long calls also serve to announce the presence of the caller to other orangutans in the area. Orangutans produce a range of grumbling and groaning sounds, which can convey various emotions, including contentment, frustration, or discomfort. Orangutans are known for making raspberry-like sounds by blowing air through their lips. This sound is often associated with playfulness and is used by young orangutans during play. Orangutans can make chirping and whistling sounds, especially during social interactions. These sounds can signify different emotions, such as excitement or curiosity. When orangutans feel threatened or scared, they may emit loud screams or shrieks to deter potential predators or threats. These vocalizations are often used in self-defense. Pant grunts are low-pitched vocalizations made by orangutans and can be associated with various emotional states, including frustration, discomfort, or agitation. Hooting sounds are sometimes produced by orangutans during social interactions, often in response to the presence of other orangutans. These sounds can vary in intensity and pitch. Orangutans are frugivores, meaning they rely heavily on fruits as a primary food source. They are known to eat a wide variety of fruits, including figs, lychees, mangoes, and durians, depending on what is seasonally available in their rainforest habitat. They have a preference for ripe and sweet fruits, and their diet can vary depending on the fruiting seasons of different tree species. Leaves make up another significant portion of the orangutan diet. While they are not as nutritionally dense as fruits, leaves provide a consistent food source year-round. Orangutans will consume young, tender leaves from a variety of tree and plant species. Orangutans sometimes consume the bark of trees, particularly when other food sources are scarce. Bark is less preferred due to its lower nutritional value and tougher texture. Although not a primary food source, orangutans are opportunistic feeders and may consume insects such as ants and termites when they encounter them. Insects can provide additional protein in their diet. Orangutans will also eat flowers when they are available. Flowers can be a source of nectar and other nutrients. Orangutans may consume the inner pith of certain types of vines. This behavior is more common in Bornean orangutans than in Sumatran orangutans. Orangutans have been observed eating clay or soil rich in minerals. This behavior is believed to help them supplement their diet with essential minerals and may have medicinal properties. Orangutans have one of the slowest reproductive rates among primates. This means that they reproduce at a much slower rate than many other mammals of similar size. Orangutans are primarily solitary animals, with adult males and females living independently for most of their lives. However, during the breeding season, males seek out receptive females for mating. Female orangutans experience a relatively short period of receptivity for mating, which lasts for several days to a few weeks during their menstrual cycle. This period is known as estrus. When a female becomes receptive, she emits various signals to attract males, including vocalizations and scent markings. Adult males will engage in behaviors such as long calls and physical displays to compete for access to receptive females. Female orangutans typically give birth to a single offspring at a time. Twins are rare, and the mother invests a significant amount of time and effort in raising her young. Orangutan mothers provide extensive care and protection for their infants. The young orangutan remains highly dependent on its mother for several years, learning essential survival skills and gradually becoming more independent as it grows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.